In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a text reveal in Adobe Premiere Pro without any plugins. In the beginning, you have to create a black video with these settings. Then, drag and drop it into the timeline. Under the pen tool, select circle and make sure to hold Shift button. Here you can change the color of the shape or add a stroke to it, and I'm increasing the stroke right now and scale it down. Select pen tool and create a rectangle right here. Make sure to click this inverted button. And now it's our first object. Let's create our second circle. I put it here. And I will uncheck the stroke and check fill box and scale it. In the video, select rotation, and we will see this happen that we don't want. That's because we don't set the anchor point to the middle of the second circle. So we put it right here and it's done. Make sure there's no selected layers, and we'll create our first rectangle. So we put it right here, and we will rotate it. And we'll create our second rectangle with copy and pasting our first shape, and under the second shape we will transform it to a new rectangle. Make sure there's no selected layers, and we will create our next rectangle right here, and we'll change the color. Okay, in our next, we'll type Canada, USA, and here you can increase the size or decrease it. And now with that layer selected, create a rectangle and drag the text and drop it above the shape, and you can see now we can see the shape and text. And now we'll create our third box. Step 2, animation. Right here in opacity, check the clock and make the opacity 0%, and 20 frame, make it 100. In our second circle, going down to scale, and check the clock and go a few frames and scale it up. Go a few frames up and scale it down. Go to opacity and check this. And in the video, click opacity and make it 0. And here make it 100. For the next layer, click on rectangle and place it right here. Mask path. Go a few frames and change it. And now we have our second animation. Now you can go to opacity and make it 0 in the beginning and make it 100 at the end. Okay, our next animation is into Niagara. We click on mask and mask path, and it's the same thing as rectangles. We will animate it. And the last thing we can do is add opacity to each rectangle to look even more beautiful. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like and comment. And I will see you in the next video.